All right, I've got a nice Snapper 150Z, 26 horsepower. This has got the rocker armed on the front, so it helps with smoothness when you're driving. I would say right off the bat, the only two things really wrong with this mower is that deck is bent right there, and that little non-scalp wheel is broken. It does not catch the blades, so it still cuts fine. Doesn't really affect its operation, but you could bend that out and put a new one on there. And you've got a little crack right here on the fender. Other than that, this thing is really clean. Seat still real clean. Great tread. I'll pop this back end up for you. It's got the, I think I just said that, but it's 26 horsepower, extended life, Briggs & Stratton. That's their mid-grade motor, not the homeowner grade and not the big commercial one. It's just right in between. Hey, Joe. Sorry, my dog, she likes to get in the video sometimes. Real clean mower. It's got the electric lift deck, 50-inch cut on this. You got your e-brake is right here, and then that's your deck height that tells you what it's at. I'll choke it. Oh, hours on this thing right there, 919. Real smooth running motor. No smoke. I'll idle it down for you. Bring it back up. Deck height, this little button right here. Down, up. That's probably low enough. My grass is already cut right now, but I've got some grass in here I think we can show. I'll do my best. Blades. Forward. Reverse. Left. Right. Drives are real smooth and responsive on this unit. Driving one-handed, so. Hopefully you can see that cut right there. You know, the uncut grass is right over here. It's a little scragglier right in here. It's nice and tight. Nice level cut. Good mower right here.